Is 0 even or odd? If you know the answer, still stay tuned to know more. Well, when a number is even, when a number is said to be even, a number is said to be even if it is a divisible by 2 or it's a multiple of 2. Let's check 0 on this criteria. Is 0 divisible by 2? If we divide 0 by any number, it will give us 0. That means 0 is divisible by all the numbers. So obviously 0 is divisible by 2. So on this criteria, 0 is an even number. Is 0 a multiple of 2? Obviously 0 can be written as 0 into 2. That is 0 is a multiple of 2. So 0 is an even number. We know that an odd number is always followed by an even number. That is, between any two odd numbers on the number line lies an even number. So we have, if I draw a number line and I put 0 here, this is -1 and the next one integer is +1. So -1 we know very well this is odd. So it must be followed by an even, and 0 is an even and it must be followed by an odd. So obviously 0 is an even number. We know that the sum of two even numbers is always even. This is a theorem that the sum of two even numbers will always be even. So let's check it with 0. So we take any number. Let's take 4. If I add 0 to it, what I get is 4. So this is an even number. I have added 0 in it and I have got a result as an even number. That means this 0 must be even, because the sum of an even number with an even number will always comes out to be even. So that it must be an even number to get the sum an even number. When we know that -1 raised to any even number must be +1. Let's check it for 0. -1 raised to 0, what it gives? We know that anything raised to 0, anything other than 0 raised to 0 will always give us 1. So this will give us 1. That means 0 is an even number. There is a counter question. Why 0 is not odd? If 0 is not odd, then obviously it is going to be an even number. So any odd number can be written in the form x is equal to 2 and plus 1. If I take x is equal to 0, let's see whether we are going to get an integer for it or not. So if I take x as 0, 0 is equal to 2n plus 1, that gives us 2n is equal to -1, that is n is equal to -12, which is not an integer. This is not an integer. That means we haven't got any integer. We couldn't express 0 in the form of 2n plus 1. That means 0 is not an odd number. Eventually, if 0 is not an odd number, it is an even number. If you have any other argument that proves 0 is an even number or 0 is not an odd number, do comment and let us know. Thank you.